In this video, we're gonna explore Sophia and the way she makes dinner, and in the end, I will teach you the words in yellow. Sophia comes home from work every evening, tired but ready to prepare a healthy meal. She loves cooking because it helps her relax, and it's a great way to spend time with her family. Let's follow her routine as she prepares dinner. As soon as she gets home, Sophia takes off her shoes and puts on her apron. She opens up the fridge to see what ingredients she has. Tonight, she's making pasta with grilled vegetables. First, Sophia takes out some courgette, tomatoes, and bell peppers. She washes off the dirt from the vegetables and lays them out on the cutting board. Carefully, she cuts up the vegetables into small pieces. After that, she turns on the cooker and heats up the grill pan. While the pan is heating, Sophia boils a pot of water for the pasta. Once it starts to bubble, she drops in the spaghetti and stirs it around. In the meantime, she waits for the pasta to cook. She seasons the vegetables with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Next, she places the vegetables on the hot grill pan. They start to sizzle, and the kitchen smells delicious. Sophia flips over the vegetables after a few minutes to make sure they're evenly grilled. The pasta is ready, so she drains it out using a strainer and tosses it into a bowl. Sophia then mixes in the grilled vegetables, some Parmesan cheese, and a bit of fresh basil. She sets out plates on the table and calls in her family for dinner. After a long day, Sophia and her family enjoy the delicious meal she prepared, chatting about the day. Take off. To remove clothes or shoes. She came home and immediately took off her jacket. Put on. To wear something. After a shower, he put on his favorite t-shirt. Open up. To open something like a fridge or door. Emma opens up the window to let some fresh air in. Take out. To remove something from a place. He took out the rubbish before leaving for work. Wash off. To clean something by rinsing with water. She washed off the dirt from the potatoes. Lay out. To spread or arrange something on a surface. They laid out the picnic blanket in the park. Cut up. To chop something into smaller pieces. She cut up the apples for the fruit salad. Drop in. To place something into a container, like water or food. He dropped in a few ice cubes to cool down his drink. Stir around. To move food or liquid in a circular motion. She stirred around the soup to mix all the ingredients. Season. To add flavor, usually with salt, pepper, or spices. The chef seasoned the dish with salt and pepper. Flip over. To turn something to cook the other side. He flipped over the pancake to cook the other side. Drain out. To remove liquid from food, like pasta. She drained out the water from the pasta. Toss in. To add something quickly by throw it in. He tossed in some fresh herbs to the sauce. Set out. To arrange things, especially on a table. They set out the plates and glasses on the dining table. Call in. To invite or ask someone to join. She called in her friends to join her for dinner. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue learning, check this video out.